Today we're going to be drawing a flying frog. Hope you follow along with me. If you need some paper and something to color with, or if you have an Apple Pencil, you can use that as well for your iPad. So let's do this. The first step, we're going to draw its eyes and the head. Well, let's do the head first right here. Which is like right here. Now let's make the eyes. And let's do the other one. In these particular frogs, they can glide in midair to go from tree to tree and have huge webbed feet. And then we made the nose. Let's continue with the head. Now let's do the stomach. Now let's do the back of the frog. Let's do the legs. I'm going to do it along with the feet. Let's do the back legs. We're going to do the other feet. Let's do the other back leg. Now let's do the partial webbing on each foot. Now let's make the eyes. Now let's make the pupil. Now let's do this part as well. Okay guys, so we have our frog. Now we're going to color it in time lapse. Okay guys, so what you think of our Wallace's flying frog? I hope this is a lot of fun to color, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching for this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Laters.